Let's jump into this explainer and unlock the incredible emotional power of the natural minor scale.
Stop memorizing formulas. Seriously, if you know your major scales, you already know your minors.
It's called the relative minor. Same exact notes, but it creates a totally different, moodier vibe. Here is the cheat code. Pick a major root and just count down 3 half steps. So, start on C major, count down 3 piano keys to A, and boom, A minor. A natural minor uses the exact same white keys as C major. You just start on A.
This shows the blueprint for building any minor scale. Whole, half, whole, whole, half, whole, whole.
If you visualize those steps, you're just counting the physical keys. 2, 1, 2, 2. Compared to a major scale, the natural minor flattens the 3rd, 6th, and 7th notes. That lower third is absolutely crucial. It's what instantly gives you that signature melancholic sound. Let's look at this in action, comparing modern pop vulnerability with some classic dramatic gravity.
Take Adele's Someone Like You. She uses the natural minor to evoke deep, deep nostalgia.
Instead of staying bright and happy, the notes dive straight into a melancholic, reflective soundscape. That minor tonality gives moments of heartbreak their incredibly heavy, bittersweet emotional weight. Now contrast that gentle pop sadness with the stormy, dramatic C minor of Beethoven's Fifth. That famous 4-note opening, it outlines a descending minor third, creating instant gravity and struggle. The entire iconic rhythm relies on the dark, driving tension of the natural minor scale. Beethoven essentially uses this dark minor struggle to build up an intense, unforgettable musical journey. Mastering this minor vocabulary literally bursts your creative possibilities wide open for maximum dramatic impact. As you try our 3 half-step cheat code, you'll naturally adjust to playing new keys. You can even work backwards. Go up 3 half steps from a minor to find its major.
So, use these steps to easily unlock a whole new vocabulary of complex musical emotions.
The natural minor is your gateway. So what deep emotion are you going to compose today?